This video is going to pretty much be about first oil change on your truck, especially if it's brand spanking new. Now, majority of the times, you know, TAs do oil changes. Some loves do oil changes, or you might can find a side shop. But here at USA, you have what's called a TEL maintenance escrow, and TEL is the company that you know, lease purchasing your truck through. So what it is a certain cent per mile that they take out each of your settlements to have on the side. So when things like oil changes or a tire or any type of something you need to have on the side to get your truck fixed, you can now take it to wherever you want to get it fixed. And what I had to do was I had to call TEL, and I'll probably put that phone number at the bottom. I have to call them and let them know, like, hey, you know, I'm here at TA, the address is such and such, and you know, I need a work order number, and you know, can you please send it to where I'm at? And what they do is they'll send that work order number, which includes the payment for whatever you're getting done, and you know, they send the money for how much the services cost. So I believe the base cents per mile they take out towards your escrow is 7 cents per mile, but you can up it if you want. And I might just up mine to probably like 8 or 9 cents, so I can really have things to do. But I'm pretty much getting an oil change, a PM, and a lube job. So obviously when you're getting a lube job, part of the lube job is getting your fifth wheel lube. So pretty much, you know, if you're getting your fifth wheel lube, you can't pull in with the trailer. So they make you drop the trailer. So if you drop in your trailer, you always want to put a lock on it. And make sure you secure that trailer because you don't want nobody stealing your junk. So let's go over the mileage. Always have an extra key to your truck too. Especially if you ain't got no APU and you know you got an animal in your truck. You can't, especially in this hot, because it's getting hot. Especially in this hot weather, you don't want to leave them in the truck and they ain't got no type of air. So mileage, I done heard different things, but because I'm planning on buying this truck, I want to do things the right way so that my truck will last. Because anything I have, I'm going to take care of it because I want to know that it's going to be good. And from the research I've done, you're supposed to get your oil changes on these trucks. I looked up Freightliner. So I'm speaking about Freightliner. From what I was reading, you're supposed to get the oil change from 20,000 miles to 25,000 miles. I went over because I've been working so hard. It is so hard to fit in extra stuff. Like, it's hard to meet up with people, man. It's hard to make appointments. So I finally got the time to sit my tail down and get my truck in and get the oil change. I'm even under a load, but sometimes you can be under a load and have so much time on that load that you got the time to do certain things. So I said, you know what, I got time. Let me hurry up and get this stuff. So look at my mileage. Matter of fact, my mileage is pretty much right here. So I'm gonna do mine like every 25,000. So I remember when I was at prom, they was trying to say, you don't need to get your oil change every 25,000 miles, wait every 50,000 miles. Damn, motherfucker, you trying to, excuse me, I'm sorry. Dang, man, you trying to make somebody mess up their engine, especially if I'm a lease. Now, I can see if I'm a company driver, I gotta do what you tell me to do. This y'all stuff, so. But if it's my stuff, then I'm paying the lease payment for. If I want to spend my money on an oil change to make sure that my equipment is running in optimal benefit, then who are you to tell me when I'm supposed to get my truck worked on? So every 25,000 miles, I'm getting my oil changed. So yeah, but yeah, man, matter of fact, like I said, I might forget, hopefully I don't forget, but if I don't forget, I'm gonna put the TEL escrow number down there for anybody that came to USA and you leased your truck, and when your 25,000 mark hit, you trying to call so that you can get the monies to pay for it instead of you coming out of pocket or coming out your money network card or coming straight out of pocket, because either one of them you don't want to touch for this when you got a maintenance escrow account for that. So alright y'all, I gotta go and you know, get my truck in the door. So I'm about to go enjoy me while they working on my truck. I'm about to go enjoy Country Pride. Yeah, baby, I'm about to go get that Country Pride back. I even got a coupon I'm about to save some money. Matter of fact, oh, just free coffee. I don't care. Yes. Yeah, I'm about to get that free coffee. Matter of fact, $3 off $15. Oh yeah, so I am about to save some money. $3 off of $15 iron skillet. I'm gonna be in there. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Yes, time to eat. Time to eat. Alright, y'all. I love y'all. You know, let's love each other, not judge each other. Cause I'm about to take a shower too. I'm sitting here looking ratchet in the mug. Shit, I might even put some makeup on, yeah. Put that eyeliner on, be like, yeah, girl, I'm so beautiful. This hairstyle is almost due to come out. I'm ready to change it up to something else. I get bored. All right, y'all. I love y'all. I wouldn't judge y'all. Y'all have a lovely, wonderful, beautiful, hot day. Cause it's hot as hell out here. It's hot. It's hot. It's hot. All right, one more thing too. I forgot to add. Matter of fact, I might just put these videos together. Before I just upload it, so hopefully it don't upload before I can finish the video. So let me be real quick. Anybody that wanted to know prices about oil changes, you know it varies, but TEL has they had discounts. So if you go like here, I'm at here at the TA, and they got a discount. Whereas if the oil change was $350, they giving it to me for $229. So the PM and the oil change together is actually $329. So I'm getting a lube, an oil change. And was it lube or oil change in the PM? PM is where preventive maintenance, where they check everything to make sure it's nothing wrong. And a lot of times when you got a brand new truck or car or anything, you want to try to get your truck in to make sure that there's no defects, because sometimes things can be defective to where you can catch it if you get a PM. So yeah, I just wanted to say that, like, the prices at TA, I'm guessing so far for oil change, which is semi-synthetic. And this truck takes 1030, and it takes what is it, Delvac. So these Freightliners take 1030 Delvac, 2018 Freightliner Cascadia. And most of these TAs through the TEL maintenance, you can get your oil change for $229. With the PM, it's $329. And if you want to go 40 synthetic, it's $200 extra. So I'm not going 40 synthetic just yet. I'm gonna stick with the semi-synthetic. Semi-synthetic is not all bad, so yeah. But I think I already showed you guys how to do the locking of your fifth wheel, but I'm kind of in a rush, so I just thought I'd add that. So I hope you guys have a lovely day. Time is the essence. Ooh, look at that bird. That bird like, what you want, nigga? I'm on your truck. Got you, nigga. What you want? I'll be on your truck too. Oh my goodness, gangster birds up in this joint. Alright, y'all have a lovely day. Let me hurry up and get from under this so I can get going, because I need to take a shower, I need to eat, get the truck working and everything else. So.